Last Saturday, my sister decided to take up bird watching in our backyard. She'd set up a fancy bird feeder that looked like a cross between a spaceship and a gourmet buffet. Every morning, she eagerly checked for new feathered friends, but it wasn't long before she noticed something odd. The birds were showing up in perfectly coordinated pairs and seemed to have a fascination with her coffee mug. After the third day of these synchronized performances, we became suspicious. So, we grabbed a pair of binoculars and, lo and behold, realized these were not birds but drones. Our neighbor, Mr. Jenkins, had apparently mistaken the feeder for a UFO landing pad and deployed his own flying fleet to investigate. When confronted, he sheepishly admitted his mistake, saying, "I thought I was dealing with an extraterrestrial food court." As a peace offering, he promised to bake us a pie every time one of his drones crash landed, jokingly calling it his pilot error.